Welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick, simple, easy dinner, Mexican pizza. But we're going to do it with a little bit different. Instead of using a flour tortilla, we're going to use an actual pizza crust that I just bought at the store. I like it better with the thicker crust. Alrighty, we've got ground beef, taco seasoning mix, enchilada sauce, refried beans, canned olives, cheese, and we will top it with fresh shredded lettuce. Here we go. Being that this is home canned ground beef, I'm going to drain the juice off because we use a beef broth when we can it. I'm going to drain that off and then I'm going to put it on the stove, and we've got to boil it for 10 minutes to get rid of any bacteria that may be in there. Don't think there is, but who wants to take a chance, right? Okay, that's heating up. Now we'll get our beans. We want to heat those up. I think Taco Bell actually invented this dish. It's not really what you would call authentic Mexican food. It's just a Mexican pizza. And like I said, I believe Taco Bell invented this dish some years ago. All right, let's get our beans heating. Throw just a splash of water in there. These we just need to get nice, hot, and bubbly. While that's going, we'll preset our oven. We want it to be 425. So we'll go bake, back arrow, select, put in the temperature, 425. Start, open, close door, start. It's preheating. Alrighty, now we'll get our pizza crust ready. I got Mama Mary's. Never used it before. We've made our own crust for this, but we're running short on time today, so we did this. Just like that. And you're gonna do the same thing like you would any regular pizza. You're gonna take and you're gonna spoon some enchilada sauce on there. Well, regular pizza, you put pizza sauce on. Being taco pizza, we're going to put enchilada sauce on. Want to be generous. I got one can, and that's going to make me 2 pizzas. There's one. And here's 2. I like my pizza to have some sauce on it. That's my personal preference. A lot of the pizzas you buy nowadays, it's like they're very dry, no sauce. I don't like that. That's it. There's maybe a teaspoon or a tablespoon left in that can. And I like to take and spread a little cheese on the bottom. Not a lot, just a little. Just enough to cover it. Good. That's it. All right, we're going to wait for our stuff to cook up over here, and then we'll put these together. See you in a few minutes. Alrighty, our meat is boiled for 10 minutes. Now all I gotta do is drain all this liquid off. 1 pound of ground beef. Put it back in the pan. Put it back over here. Get our taco seasoning mix, Taco Bell. Takes 3/4 cups of water. Mix that up. Put that in our meat. Turn the heat back on. Go about a medium high. Let it simmer and let it cook into the meat. Alrighty, we're ready to put the meat and the beans on. Start with the beans. And just kind of sprinkle it on there. Kind of move it around, get it filling up as much as you can. Now the meat. Throw some more cheese on there. One pound of cheese. 2 pizza crusts, 1 pound of cheese, 1 pound of meat, 1 can of beans. We like olives, so we're gonna put sliced black olives on it. Pop these bad boys into the old convection microwave oven for 12 minutes. Make sure you turn your turntable off. Put one up top. One down on the bottom. And we will see you in 12 minutes. Hey, our pizza's just about ready, so we're gonna get some lettuce. Take these few outer leaves off. Then we've got to shred it. Probably more than enough for Kim and I. Throw that in the colander and give it a good rinse, soaking. It has been 13 minutes. Let's pull them out and see what they look like. Or at least pull one out and see what it looks like. It looks like the bottom one might need a little bit more. Ooh, the cheese is a-bubbling. She's looking good. And there you have it, Mexican pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Maybe. Just like that. Little lettuce on top. Garnish it with salsa and sour cream. And there you have it, Mexican pizza. Easy peasy. All right, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and we can keep bringing stuff like this to you. Simple, easy dinners. If you got any comments, leave them down below. Leave us anything that you would like us to try, and subscribe. It really helps. We need to get our subscribers up. Tell your friends. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.